today you're going to practice with me and Bradley. Bradley's over here playing with his toys, so he might join us in a minute. So basically what we're going to do is you should grab a piece of paper and a pencil or a marker board if you happen to have one at home. Just something to write with. And we're going to go through each of these practice problems, and I want you to pause the video, solve it on your own, and then press play so you can check your work, okay? So we'll start out with number 1. For number 1, we have 3 and 9/10. I want you to write that mixed number as a decimal. So go ahead, press pause, write it as a decimal, and then we'll check together. Okay, so I know there's 3 holes, so I'm going to put 3 decimal point and 9/10. The grunting would be Bradley. Shh. So, place value, we know we have tenths right here. So I would put a 9. So our decimal is 3 and 9/10. Let's go on to number 2. Pause the video and solve it on your own. Okay. So we have 7 wholes and 64 hundredths. Make sure your decimal point is nice and dark so we can see it. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Pause the video and solve it. Okay, so you should have come up with, oh, I didn't tell you what to do for this one. This time we're doing the opposite. You're going to write this decimal as a fraction. Now pause the video and write it as a fraction. Okay, so we have 23 wholes and 2/10. So I would write it like that. Okay, I will pause the video. I will be right back. I have to give the baby his bottle. All right, and I'm back. Okay, now you're going to do this one. Change this decimal into a mixed number. Press pause and then solve it. Okay, so 7 wholes. Decimal point separates my whole number from my fraction. And 85, think about place value, tenths, hundredths. 85 hundredths. All right, now you're going to turn this mixed number into a decimal. Press pause and solve it. Okay, so we have 8 wholes and 2/10. Now turn this mixed number into a decimal. Press pause and solve it. All right, so we have 5 wholes, and this is one of those tricky ones. We have 2 hundredths. Do we have any tenths? No, there's no tenths. So you have to put a 0. It's like a placeholder. Don't let it trick you. Then put your 2. Okay, now press pause. Turn 14 and 4/100ths into a fraction. All right, here we go. 14 wholes and tenths, hundredths. We don't have any tenths, guys, so I'm just going to put a 4. Oh, that's a 4. Hundredths. Okay? Just like that. 13.4. Press pause and write that one as a fraction. let's check. So we have 13 wholes, 4 tenths. All right, last one for this set of practice problems. Turn this mixed number into a decimal. Okay, let's check. All right, so we have 11 and 2 tenths. All right, guys, now that you have finished practice with me, you can get on to Think Central and do your assignment. And Bradley wants to say hi. Come here, Bug. He's eating his bottle. Come here, little peanut. Say hi. Say hi, kitties. Say, I got my bottle. That's all I want. Bye, guys. Okay, here you go. No. Yep. All right. There it is. Did you say hi to the kids? Did you? Okay.